Morning students, welcome to the online class of class 3 English. So students, as we already know that we have discussed or we have revised till unit 2, and we have also covered the important topics only which will be asked in our half yearly exam. So let's continue with the unit 3, which is our solar system. Activity 1 is just a fun activity, students, and as we know we are going for an exam, not for activity or fun. So, and here students, we already discussed that we will be asking any three poems, and one poem we have already discussed in activity 2, unit 2 activity 7. So in activity unit 3 we have activity 3 is the same as of a poem. So let's discuss which will be important. Planet roll call. 8 planets around the sun. Listen as I call each one. Mercury, here. Number 1, closest planet to the sun. Venus, here. Number 2, shining bright just like new. Earth, here. Number 3, Earth is home to you and me. Mars, here. Number 4, red and ready to explore. Jupiter, here. Number 5, largest planet that's no jive. Saturn, here. Number 6, rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus. Here, number 7, a planet tilted high in heaven. Neptune. Here, number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. This poem is by Mesh Goldish, and you can be asked this also from any of the three. I will be asking one you have discussed in unit 2 activity 7. I am saying it again, students. And in unit 3 this poem you have to buy at this. In the third is in unit 5, that we will cover also. So this is very much important for half yearly exam. Now moving to further, here we come to a keywords, students. Keywords is very much important in all the chapters, so you have to do by heart for each and every chapter, I must say. Gurgle, to make sound from throat. Panic, a feeling worry or nervous. Tiny, very small in size. Drown, to die because you have been underwater too long and you cannot breathe. Coo, a soft sound made by dove or pigeon. Glide, to move smoothly and quietly. Here we must say gurgle, that we always make sound after brushing our teeth. Panic means just to worry or being afraid of something. By like for exams, we are very much nervous students, so that is very much condition of panicking, that we always panic. Tiny, it's very small in size. Drown, to die underwater. Coo, a soft sound made by dove or pigeon. Glide, to move smoothly or quietly. So students, here, so students, also we have completed our chapter 3, in which we only got a poem important, which is on activity 3, that is very much important, and also the keywords from our chapter 3. So by this week revised our chapter unit 3, which is solar system, and we are going further on unit 4, which is Mr. Rabbit plays a prank. Here we have this story. As we already know, students, Mr. Rabbit plays a prank. About how he plays prank with elephant, Mr. Elephant and Mr. Well, and Mr. Rabbit plays very good prank, making fun of them. So here we have keywords from this story. Creature, a living thing. Hid, put out of sight, means just to hide, means just to place where in nobody can see. Stuck, caught, jammed. pleased, happy, certainly, surely, mighty, powerful, sleeping, moving smoothly over something by mistake and fall, sliding, move smoothly across something, terribly, dreadfully, tempted, announced, somersault, a movement when you turn your body with your feet going over your head, flip over. You can write any two or any one of the two. Not both of them are not important, right? If I ask somersault, you can just write flip over also. Plop, put down, place, fall with a third. So now here we have answer the following questions, which is very much important, students. What are the special physical characteristics of the animals of the story? We will brief these question answers. You already know the answers, you already have the material. So, physical characteristics means the Mr. Elephant and Mr. Whale were both the biggest creatures, one of the sea, Mr. Whale, and one of the land, Mr. Elephant. Why did Rabbit played a prank? Because Mr. Rabbit wanted to make fun of both. Did Mr. Rabbit really have a cow? No, he was just Mr. It was just playing a prank. In real, Mr. Rabbit is not having a cow. What happened when they pulled each other? They both fall down. Mr. Well on the sea, deep into the sea, and also the Mr. Rabbit on Mr. Elephant on the land. Who was the strongest of all? Mr. Rabbit was strongest because Mr. Rabbit played a prank and they both were fooled by Mr. Rabbit. Also, students, answer the following questions. Did you like the prank played by Mr. Rabbit? Yes, we obviously liked. What did you like most about Mr. Rabbit? His sense of playing a prank. This is very much normal question we must say, students. Then, here we have so hereby students we are completing our chapter 4 also for revision, and in chapter 4 let's memorize what is important. In chapter 4 the question answer is important. The keywords from the story of Mr. Rabbit plays a prank is also very much important. So collectively in this class unit 3 and unit 4 we have revised, and the important things are keywords, question answers, and also the poem in unit 3 we have just covered. So from for unit 5 and unit 6 revision we will meet in the next class. Thank you, students.